Great day mga katantuko! Welcome to another episode of Tantuko TV Vlogs. So in this episode guys, i-share namin sa inyo itong weekend meron kaming in-attendan. So we attended a training and a seminar regarding vlogging and content creation. Okay. So right now, we gonna share yung natutunan namin dito sa Influence Ignition ni Real Talk Darbs, 'di ba? Siguro first and foremost what I've learned ako personally, siguro lang yung yung kailangan when we do content, yung authenticity, like us, yung parang kung sino ba talaga tayo, sino kami, as a content creator. Yan yung natutunan ko, isa yan, How about you?
Oh, what I learned naman is me to have at the same time, consistency